The verb to be in English is very important, and it is important. It is a very important verb for all the languages, and we must learn this verb in Urdu. The equivalent of to be in Urdu is hona. Hona. As you know, all the verbs in Urdu end with na. Hona, karna, ana, jana, khana, etc. As you know, the verb to be is conjugated in English as is, are, am, and in Urdu it is conjugated as हूँ, हो, है, हैं. But in Urdu, the verb comes at the last of the sentence. For example, I am. I am. This is subject, this is verb, and object comes here. In Urdu, मैं हूँ, this is subject and this is verb. Object comes here. मैं हूँ. Similarly, other forms of the verb. You are. तुम हो. You are. तुम हो. वो है. He is or she is. वो है. He is or she is. हम हैं. We are. हम हैं. We are. वो हैं. They are. वो हैं. They are. And वो हैं may also be used for he is and she is. If we use वो हैं for he is or she is, it is very honorific use of the word, because if we use वो हैं for he is and she is, it means it is very honorific. We are giving honor to someone, so we use वो हैं. आप हैं. You are. आप हैं. You are. As you already know, आप is honorific word. It is equivalent. It has no equivalent in English. We use you for both tum and आप. In Urdu, आप is an honorific word. We use आप for our elders or with strangers. Now let's see some sentences using the conjugation of the verb to be in present tense. मैं तालिब इल्म हूँ. मैं तालिब इल्म हूँ. I am a student. मैं तालिब इल्म हूँ. I am a student. If we translate this sentence word by word in English, it will be मैं, I, तालिब इल्म, a student, हूँ, am. So subject मैं, तालिब इल्म object, and verb हूँ. So in Urdu, verb comes at last of the sentence. मैं तालिब इल्म हूँ. I am a student. तुम दुकानदार हो. तुम दुकानदार हो. You are a shopkeeper. तुम दुकानदार हो, you are a shopkeeper. तुम हो, you are. तुम दुकानदार हो, you are a shopkeeper. Shopkeeper is दुकानदार. वो वकील है, he is a lawyer. वो, as you know, वो can be used for he or she. So वो वकील है means he is a lawyer or she is a lawyer. वो वकील है, he is a lawyer or she is a lawyer. हम गरीब हैं, we are poor. हम गरीब हैं, we are poor. हम we, हम हैं we are. हम गरीब हैं, we are poor. गरीब means poor. वो लंदन में है, वो लंदन में है, वो लंदन में हैं, वो लंदन में हैं. They are in London. वो लंदन में हैं, they are in London. We can also use this sentence, the same construction for he or she. But in case we use the same construction for he and she, it means we are. It is very honorific. For example, we use wo for in this sense for our elders or for very respected persons or old persons. वो लंदन में है. Otherwise, this construction is used for they. वो लंदन में है. If we say वो लंदन में है, it means he or she is in London. If we say वो लंदन में हैं, it means they are in London. But the same construction may also be used for he or she. In this case, it means we are using for someone very respected, elder or strangers. वो लंदन में हैं, they are in London. आप मुसन्निफ हैं, आप मुसन्निफ हैं means you are a writer. आप मुसन्निफ हैं, you are a writer. आप मुसन्निफ हैं, you are a writer. We can also use this sentence if we are introducing someone. For example, if the writer is present and we are introducing him to someone, then we can also use आप मुसन्निफ हैं. It means he is a writer. It means she is a writer, he is a writer. In this case, as आप is used honorifically, he is a writer or she is a writer. If we are introducing someone, then we can say आप मुसन्निफ हैं, आप मुसन्निफ हैं. And आप मुसन्निफ हैं, it also means you are a writer. You are a writer.